Coming live from the command center of the jwsolarusa. Guys, this is what I have for you today. Well, I got a new device. It's an 8-port smart LED display charger with a quick charger plus the PD. So these are the model number A9P and A9 Plus. So this device can charge 8 devices simultaneously, which one is the quick charger, the QC it has one USB with a QC, and it has another one with a USB type C port. If you look at here, you will see the USB type C, and it has the USB 3.0. It's right here. So the 3.0, these are all fast charging. There's the latest technologies that this charger can able to produce at a rapid charge, and 6 of them is just a standard USB charger. So let's go and take a look at this. If you look at it keenly here, you will see what we have on the specifications. These are the specifications for the device. If I can hold it steady. It's an 8-port USB display multifunction charger. It's a product model A9P. Interface type USB A times 7, USB C times 1. The input voltage is 100 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, which you can use both back home here in America and as well as international. So if you look at this here, it says 6 USB 5 volt output, and the quick charge, which is a 3.0, has 1, and USB type C with a PD output, which is the voltage you can see right there. And we're gonna be giving a test into this, and you'll see how these chargers really work. And these are the specifications there. The USB output current is gonna be 1 to 2.4 amps, and quick charge 3.0, 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt. You can see, depends to your device, and it sends the device power that if it's a fast charger, it's gonna activate itself right away to a fast charger, and you can able to charge your phone rapidly, or your device or tablet or whatever. So the total output of this thing is about 60 watts max. Okay, so 60 watt. You see that? And see the kind of plugs that you use for both international and here in the United States. You guys can see. I hope you get that. It says total output power 40 watts max, but it says right up here up to 60 watt. Right there, see it? So this is the device. These are all the other specifications. These are the kind of phones scope of use is mobile phones, cameras, MP3, Bluetooth, headsets, game console, smart bracelets, which is like Apple or whatever, Samsung, whatever, Fitbits and all that stuff. And if you look at here closely, if I have to move the camera, sorry for that shake, and you will see all the other devices that comprises into it, and it's gonna tell you all that, and anything you plug is gonna display on the screen. it shows you what port you already attach your device to. So let's check it out and see how everything works here. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Okay, we're trying to get this thing box in here, and when you open that, it's gonna be a little. Here is a box. It's just the wire for the AC. Okay, that goes to the wall charger, and we got another box here, which is gonna be the device. But this is the manual that comes with it. Focus here. This is how it looks like. It has a Chinese it's a product schematics, and this is what it is. I hope you can able to read the English and Chinese or Japanese or Korean. Sorry, I think it's a Chinese. So you can pause this anytime and read it. Hold it there for a few seconds. Okay, if you want to read, you can read. And I'm gonna flip this one over. This is what it is. You know exactly how this thing gonna work. So, and guys, we can go now and open up this guy here. This is what it is. I took it off from the plastic, and this is what it looks like. The USB Type-C, the 3.0. These are all the latest technology, the charging port. Okay. Hold it right there so you can see it. And it has the thing here for the AC charger, which is gonna be this guy right here. Plugs all the way in here. You can see that just like a stereo cable or any electrical. So back here is gonna give you all the model number, USB charger. So WLX-9 plus. So that's why it has this one here. You can see the 9 plus here, and it's going to say the 9A9P. So I don't know which one you can look at right now, but this is what it is. So 120, 240, 50, 60 hertz, A9 plus, WL. So this is the model number. These are all the specs right here. So the outputs are 5 volt, 8 amps. So 2.4 pump port. So that's 3 of them. Then it has USB, the quick charge with the 3.0, and it has the USB Type-C that gives you the DC 5 volt 3.4 amps. That is going to be the 3.4 amps, and it's going to do the 9 volt 3.3. Okay, 9 volts 2.3 and 12 volt 1.5. So it depends. As soon as you plug the device, and it's gonna detect what kind of device, a rapid charge, a quick charge, and it's gonna do it. It has a plastic thin hair legs that it's gonna be standing, kind of a little bit that's kind of a little bit heavier. So these are all the ports, and 6 ports, 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the USB 2.0, USB 3, and USB Type-C that goes the up to 9 and 10 volt, 12 volts. This one gives that. These are for the newest phones, and these are the latest. These are the latest. These 2 are the latest. So guys, this is what it is, and we can plug it in and see how it works. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. from the command center of jwsolarusa. It's a new toy again for you guys to take a look at. You can pick up one on the description below. Bye for now. Alright guys, here's the charger right now. We're gonna put it into test. See, it's gonna be charging 2 iPhone 7s, and let's see how much power this thing is gonna be pulling. And it has a 8 charging port and a USB 3.0, and it has a USB type C, which is type C. It's just this one you can use for Samsungs or whatever Android phones. Let me show you what a type C looks like. This is how USB type C look like. So USB type C to USB type C, it goes right there. So if you take a type C and you plug it right there, there you go, and you take this one back, you go to the phone, which is a USB type C as well. So this is how it looks like. So this one can give you the type C. One of them is a 3.0 USB, and this one will give you the same but a faster charge, and this will give you the 9-point-something volt charging. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna utilize the iPhones has the faster charging cable too, the lightning something is called, and plug this other one back here. So we have 2 slots already plugged in. So we're gonna bring this to the iPhone 7s here. So we're gonna iPhone 7 Plus 32 128 and I think is 128 and 256, something like that. So we'll plug this. They're already plugged. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this cord right here and goes to the power grid or to your power strip. You can see what the power is gonna start up, and right away it's gonna detect the charging. See right there, it's gonna detect each phone charging parameter or whatever it requires for charging. And guys, these phones are just freshly start. These ones are all on the default mode. This is the first time turning them. That's why you see that screen. So let's see here. This is how it looks like. It looks weird on the this meter. This blue, not purple. So this bay right here is 2. That comes to this one, and this one here is the wire that comes to the first one. So let's look at, it says charging at a 5-point-something volt. So the phone 1 is putting, phone 2 is putting 1.73 amps. 1.73 amps, and the other one is putting below that. So 1 is this one here, and this is 2. We can swap this wires, and so that we can get probably maximum charge. Let's see, we're just swapping things, so we want to see how things go. Stay tuned. Okay, now let's flip the switch and make sure it's ready. Okay, this one is sitting at 80%, and this one is at 0%. It's red, so it's starting fresh. So let's see. 2 is putting and the other one is putting 1.7 something. So 1 is flashing. That's the highest one, which is the most hungry one. This one here, the empty one, 1.8 amps. and the other is putting 1 point something 7 point something. So guys, this is what it is. I just decided to show you how this charger is working, and stay tuned for more to come live from this channel on the JW USA. Like and subscribe. iPhone 6, no, iPhone 7, sorry. There they are. It's charging. Bye for now.